Hello everyone, welcome to another video of mine. So as you can see from my look, I have done a Basant Panchami, some yellow inspired look. It's not going to this look. If you like it, then please do go ahead and like my video, comment, subscribe to my channel and show support. And that's it guys. So from today's video, I'm just going to do a little bit of mini haul, I'm going to say, because there's just not makeup products, I'm just showing you my skincare products as well. So just bear in mind, like, these are products not even collected in the month of Feb or January, because I'm just collecting these from 2-3 months, like from, you can say, November late or December, you can say. So once there were lots of things on offer, all holiday sets, or like store here in UK called Debenhams, it's closing. So they have got wonderful offers in makeup, skincare, on their clothing line in general. A lot of time I thought, why not, let me just get hands on these. So let me start without further wasting time. Let me begin into this. So the first thing which I'm going to show you is this one. This was, I was like, unbelievable price. It was on 50% off. So it retails, I don't know how much, but I paid 1950. So I'm just wondering, it must be around like the 40-pound benchmark or something. Anyways, I'm just going to link it if it's available. So this is the Giorgio Armani Face Fabric Second Skin Makeup, and my shade is 3.5. Firstly, I thought I really wanted something, and this is like their box, the proper cardboard box, and this is like, you know, one of those normal tube packaging. So I was wondering, like, this is going to be a primer or maybe a little bit of BB cream or CC cream. But and the moment I saw it, because we are not allowed to just go and test it anyway, because none of the stores are open, so I thought, why not just give me a try. I was just browsing through some of the videos, and I thought, okay, just let me give me a blind bet, and I'm going to order shade number 3.5. But to my surprise, as you can see, if you're going to show towards me, it's going to look, at first instance, it's going to look quite orangey on me. But the moment it blends out, it's like my perfect skin match. So you can see it's going to look like the perfect skin match. Can you see this? It was looking orangey, as you can see here, but the moment it blends out into your skin, it just adapts to your skin color. So I think one shade lighter or one shade darker, it's not going to create much of a difference. But this being said, that it was very nice. I used to wear a lot during December months. I have worn this in January months also, and this is my go-to whenever I go for work. This is completely, I don't even use a brush. I just take it, dot it over, and spread it with my hands, literally, and bronzer, and that's it. I'm good to go with a bit of mascara. So I really find this, if you're looking for a nice BB cream or CC cream, this is called the Face Fabric Second Skin Makeup. It's really looks like second skin, quite flawless in the coverage. Obviously this is quite sheer, you need to build it up by using 2-3 layers, but it doesn't cost too much, seriously, especially at this point. If it is available on 50% off in Debenhams, I'll highly recommend it. Just came some days back. So this is the Benefit Hello Happy Air Stick Foundation, and mine is in the shade number 4. I've just done a whole video dedicated to this one because I really love this one a lot. It is quite nice, quite creamy, and quite buildable coverage. As you can see from my makeup today, I have not used any primer, no concealer, and it has almost done a very wonderful job. Applied 4 to 5 layers on my skin, and it's not at all looking heavy or cakey or settling into my fine lines or doing whatever. And but it is on very nice day-to-day product. You can use again with your fingers to blend it, or a brush, and it's super creamy, guys. And first of all, I'm in love with the smell. It smells one of those Body Shop products, like the tea tree one. So quite nice one. I'm really liking this one. If you want to just check one of these out, although this is Giorgio Armani, it has to be one of the most luxurious one, but I'll highly recommend going for this one, Benefit Hello Happy Foundation. I'm really liking this one. And the next is going to be, again, because I was really wanting it to, I really had my eyes on the Too Faced, the Pretty Rich palette. So because, you know, I really love doing my eye makeup, And based on the eye makeup, I thought I was just browsing around for a nice palette with a combination of, I don't like very nude tones, it really washes me out, not even my on my face, on my eyes as well. So I want like some of the jewel tones. It should have some matte colors and as well as some shimmer and some glitters. So I thought, after having a lot of reviews, going through a lot of, I thought I should give a try to this one. I could not go to the stores to see personally or to swatch it, so took a blind bet just by seeing the videos, and I'm not regretting it at all. This is wonderful. I've thrown the outer packaging. So as you can see, it is really wonderful. I'm just going to do a whole video dedicated to this palette, and it has got a big mirror also in here, and some shades, some matte shades, some glitter shades. I'm just going to quickly just show you this. This is the nice, very nice glittery sort of shade, and you can see, hopefully it catches up, some very nice glitters. I'm especially liking this, the gold glitters, you know, one of those glitters where you have got the Indian functions or Indian ceremonies or your wedding or just anniversary sort of. I hope it's catching it up. So you can see very nice glittery shades in there. And then I'm just liking this one sort of, and this is called the diamonds for breakfast, sorry. And this is very nice, like the silver glitter. So these are, I'm really looking forward to use this in more of my videos. You can see like proper combination of colors, array of colors, some nice pinks, some matte pinks, some brown, some nude colors, even some white colors, and some even for the smoky eye look, the blue eye look, some grays. So I'm just so happy. And if you're going to know the price of this one, it was on offer, I think, and on extra you were getting 15% extra, because Debenhams, if you're subscribed to Debenhams, they're going to send a time to time, they're sending a 15% extra code also on the email. So it just cost me 28 pounds really, plus the PNP. But this palette on its own is 40 pound, or but 28 pounds, I thought it's a very good deal, so I just went for this one. And the next one is this. I was looking to buy a roller for quite some time, but this, I thought, okay, I'm going to wait for an offer. This, it was on the Boots counter, and I just picked it up randomly just to know what's the price. Is it like 8 pound, 9 pound? If it was 8 or 9 pound, I should have picked it then and there, but it was for £2.50. This, I know it's not going to be £2.50 anywhere, but being said that, if it is available for £9 also, I would have picked it. This is the jade roller. I use this side for my eyes, even my daughter use it for my eyes, for applying my serum, and this side just to contour my face and the neck. And this is quite rejuvenating. It's already cold in here, so I do not put it in the fridge now, but in the summer months, of course, you can go ahead and put it in the fridge and get the nice cool feeling to your face, refreshing feeling to your face. So again, loving this one. And next comes one of my beauty blenders, because I always run out of it. I think which I really like this. So £1.50 pence from Boots, or I do not like to spend too much on my beauty glitter glue. So this is the Too Faced, the Shadow Insurance. No, the Too Faced glitter glue, not the Shadow Insurance, sorry. So this is the glitter shadow primer. Nothing much to say about this, because I've used it today, first time ever. And you can see, normally I used to use the glitter using my fingers or my silicone tip brush, but today it has created, and it has been quite some time where I've done this eyeshadow look, and my glitters are still popping over, and it's like quite reminiscent on your face. You can see the bling effect the glitter has given due to this. So it really creates a difference without a glitter glue and with a glitter glue. So if you're looking for a glitter glue, do check this out, again from Debenhams. So go at a nice discount on this one as well. And my last, I was so sorry, I've just thrown the box of it. And it comes, this is the Ole Henriksen set. And it also had, I think, the fat facial, there's a facial called, I'm not sure where I have kept it. So there was a 15 ml facial. I'm going to link the Ole Henriksen set. It's from Boots. So it's one of their holiday sets. So I'll highly recommend this one if you're looking out for. This is comparatively new to my collection, guys. I have never used a Ole Henriksen skincare products, so I'm not going to comment too much on how it performs because it's going to be spring summer monsoon. So I was looking something, and I've got my problematic skin also, so I don't want like the too heavy creams for summer months. So I thought, why not just go on to some gel cream. I've already used Clinique in past, so I wanted something from Ole Henriksen, and this on offer. So this is the Ole Henriksen Truth Sea Rush Brightening Gel Cream, and this is vitamin 3 sources of vitamin C and rose of winter extract. So this has got this in it. If I'm just going to talk about quickly about the smell and the texture, you can see it's just new tub. I've just used it once or twice. It's like complete, like, you know, orange, like complete orange and zingy smell, very refreshing. And once I'm just putting it on my face, it looks quite refreshing. And I cannot say much more about the benefits, but to the value, because this tub, this is the 50 ml tub. This tub on its own in Boots is for £37, and getting these 3 products, and there was one more, I do not have it with me, it must be somewhere in the counter, the fat facial, the 15 ml, and this is the Ole Henriksen the mini the glow 2OH toner, or H2O toner, whatever they call it. This is the dark spot toner. I have used it, my daughter has used it, right till now we are loving it. But just make sure in this mind, with this toner or any toner, if you have got some rashes or something, do avoid using a toner because it really burns the skin. But unless, this is a good product. This is the dark spot toner, and this is, I think, a good value for money. I think probably in the days to come, I'll be more in a good position to review this product. But that's it for my today's mini haul. Hope you like it. If you like it, then do share your support, comment and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye everyone.